Hi, today in front of me Tecno Spark Go, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. First, hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger. For example, select a couple of apps and click here. Just hold all of them and you could add them to your folder together. Also, you could add here more applications by this way. Just click to this plus icon and select all of another applications, tap to OK, and that's it. You could also select these applications if you want to just remove them from the folder to the home screen. Also, you could remove only one application from here. So if you wanna just rename the folder, just tap once on the name and enter the apps, for example. To move folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. Also, we could make it bigger or smaller. Just hold the folder, tap to enlarge to make it bigger, and also if you want, you could shrink it to make it smaller. And to disband all of the applications, hold the folder and tap to disband, and you'll stay with all of these applications on your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.